Fenris, a cruel and perilous ice world, inhospitable and deadly, and the landing site of Leman Russ. As a child, he was adopted by the Fenrisian wolves and raised by them, until one day humans would kill the pack leader. Lemon would go out looking for revenge and wanting to protect the rest of the pack. Once the tribesmen realized he was human, not wolf, they lowered their weapons and Lemon did the same. They then took him to their leader. From then on, he would rise through the tribe ranks until he got crowned the Wolf King. When the Emperor came to Fenris, he came in disguise, wanting to gauge this rediscovered son. Lemon challenged him to an eating and a drinking contest where he won, but that disappointed the Emperor, who then challenged him to a fight and defeated him. Upon regaining consciousness, however, Lemon laughed and joined his father and the Great Crusade. Coming into his role, Lemon was sent to censure Angron for his butcher ways. Two legions then came to blows and many legionaries died in vain. At the onset of the heresy, tricked by his brother Horus, Lemon was sent to Prospero. There again, two legions would fight, but this time the wolves were reinforced by Silent Sisters and Custodes. As a result, Magnus was broken, his legion shattered, and their homeworld burnt. But the wolves didn't come out unscathed. After Prospero, the wolves moved to muster at Alaxis Nebula, but under the orders from Horus, the 12th Legion intercepted and harassed them, forcing them to make slow progress and inevitably arrive too late to help the defenders from Terra. No one really knows what happened to Lemon after that, whether he disappeared in the Eye of Terror while searching for his lost brothers, or venturing into the realm of Nurgle to save the Eldari goddess Isha. We will never know. But one thing is certain, in the grim darkness of the 41st millennia, the hour of the wolf is at hand.